Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with a BGMGirl here again. Okay, so first thing is I'm seeing the wig, alright, which we're gonna get into in a few. And then I got this drawstring bag, which is branded with goodies inside. Inside of that, I got a bonnet, and that's branded as well. I also got a pair of BGMGirl eyelashes. Alright, this is a BGMGirl hair times TikTok. Okay, basically promoting your TikTok. It's a card with all that information. Then there's another card with hair care and like a bunch of useful information that you need. I also got this edge brush and comb, BGMGirl hair elastic headband, regular pair of wig caps. And then I also got a HD pair of wig caps. And that's everything. That is everything. That's a good amount. That's a nice amount of goodies. Love that. This is today's wig, guys. I'm so excited for it. We're working with a glueless wig, another bomb glueless wig. Okay, so this is a 9x6 HD lace closure glueless wig. It's a water wave and it's 26 inches long. I'm gonna put the density in the description box, so please check that out. But yeah, I'm loving this. Everything is pre-done for you. It's pre-cut. Everything is pre-customized, so it's pre-everything. All right, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. All right, and you know, they just, these type of cap constructions, recent glueless wig cap constructions are top tier. All right, because it's very accommodating for the person who might not know how to, you know, install a wig on a regular basis. So it does have all the things in there to make the wig very secure in your head. So like there's this comb in the back which is removable. As you can see, they tagged it, so you can remove it. You can remove it from, there's some loops that they put on the wig itself, so you can remove it, and even the ones on the sides, you see, quite easy to remove, and you just reapply it whenever you're ready. All right, so that's on both sides. So it's a total of 3 combs. You also have an adjustable strap right here to make the wig more snugged, so I will just adjust that. And the hair color is a natural hair color. So now that I showed you guys that, let me go ahead and put this on. Oh, by the way, the cap also has this curve on the side. I don't know if you can see, but this right here sits very comfortably around your ears. So I love that they made their cap like this as well. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and slip this on and show you guys how easy this wig is to work with. So I usually use a comb in the back and just stick it in, which, you know, makes the cap really secure. And then with the 9x6 lace closure, obviously it's way more space to work with than a regular, you know, 5x5 closure wig. So I absolutely love that. So all my girls who love a good closure wig, you know, this is an upgraded kind for you. So right off the bat, once I slip this onto my head, you guys can see how well the lace flushes in. It continues all the way to the side there, so that looks really good. Yeah, that looks really good. It's really not much. It's so easy. It's literally a slip on and go. So I don't know if you can see, but there's a little bit of cast in the front. So what I'm gonna do is take my powder, my face powder, to just kind of tap that out and mute it down. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Go ahead and tap this in on the lace, the powder, and that will help to mute down that castiness. And that's, guys, sometimes I just feel like this is a joke because I'm all done. I'm literally all done with installation. No baby hair is needed. Obviously it's optional, so you decide if you want to do that. No, but that's it. That is it. Oh my gosh, such a breeze, such a breeze. BGMGirl, they just get it, they get it. And this is the hair nice and full in its dry state. All I'm gonna go ahead and do is get this, you know, a little wet so you guys can see it in that state as well. So I'm gonna get my spray bottle with water. I have my spray bottle here and it's just with water. I do want the hair to fluff back up, you know, easily. So and that's pretty much it. I really love the volume that this has. I did get minimal shedding, so just to show you that I did get minimal shedding. But guys, what if I told you that that is it? These are the curls. They look gorgeous. BGM girl, you did it again, because yeah man, it win. It is amazing. Like, what? Yeah man, I love this. Love it. So convenient. Slip on and go. All my beginners, tap in. All my girls who don't want to take all day to install your wig and you want to look cute, tap in. The necessary information that you need to know, all of that will be in my description box. The direct link to this wig will be in my description box, okay? Any deals going on will be down below as well. Shout out to BGM Girl here, because y'all killed it. It's beautiful, flawless. What more could we want? What more could we ask for? This is as simple as it gets. Okay? Yeah, but that's it. That is it. That's all for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you found it informative, go ahead and give it a thumb up, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.